Almost nobody knows what really happened to Michael Rockefeller. Watch till the end because this one will genuinely shock you. In 1961, Michael Rockefeller was one of the most famous young men in America. His father ran New York, his family had more money than most countries, and he was out in the jungles of New Guinea collecting art from one of the most isolated tribes on Earth, the Asmat people. His boat capsized. He was last seen swimming toward shore. The official story? He drowned. But decades later, classified Dutch government documents told a completely different story. Michael made it to shore, he survived the swim, and the Asmat tribe ritually killed him. Not out of random violence, but as direct payback for a Dutch colonial massacre that happened years before Michael ever arrived. He died for something he had nothing to do with. Here's the part that will make your stomach drop. Dutch officials figured this out within a few years. They knew exactly what happened to one of the world's most famous missing people, and they buried it completely to avoid an international incident. His family never got the truth.